I'm Trevin Reese with Ready America. We're a family-owned company in business for over 30 years. Let's get prepared for disasters. And the best way is with our essential Ready America backpacks. Experts agree that emergency services may not be available for up to 3 days. So, with that in mind, get your 3-day, 2-person deluxe kit. All this is packed into one hands-free backpack with front pocket, reflective band, and reinforced handle. Contents include Coast Guard approved 5-year shelf life food bar with 800 calories per person each day. Coast Guard approved 5-year shelf life drinking water, water purification tablets, 25 quarts, multifunction tool, 12-hour Lightsticks with lanyard, 2 N95 protective masks, pocket tissues, biohazard bag, duct tape, 32-ounce BPA-free water bottle, rain ponchos, 2 hygiene kits, 33-piece first aid kit, 4 nitrile gloves, survival blankets, 5-in-1 survival aid tool, which includes a whistle, compass, waterproof match case, flint, and signaling mirror. Additionally, emergency contact card. Lastly, you can register your backpack and receive a reminder to refresh your food and water. All Ready America backpacks are 100% guaranteed.